The ability to recover SharePoint Online with Backup Exec is a total game changer. It means you can quickly get back your SharePoint sites and content if something goes wrong, like accidental deletion or data loss. It keeps everything safe and makes sure your team stays on track and productive without any headaches. Let's take a look at how to recover SharePoint content. To recover Microsoft SharePoint Online, we'll select Backup and Restore, highlight our Microsoft 365 tenant, and select Restore. We'll highlight SharePoint Online and click Next. We have two options, SharePoint Online Backups to point in time or SharePoint Online Backups from Backup Sets. I'm going to select Backup Sets and click Next. We'll expand out SharePoint Online, our most recent full backup, SharePoint Sites. We'll navigate to the SharePoint site that we're restoring data to. And we're going to restore these two documents. We'll go ahead and click Next. Here we're given options to increase the number of parallel streams used for the recovery. We have the ability to restore only settings, permissions, and structures of unavailable sites and subsites and list. We can skip if the item exists or overwrite that item. We have the ability to skip hidden system lists and catalogs and restore permissions. We'll go ahead and click Next. Here, you're given the option to restore to the same SharePoint site or restore to the file system. We're going to restore to the same SharePoint site, so we'll go ahead and click Next. You're given the option to run pre and post commands. You're also given the option to configure notifications to be notified of the status of this job. We'll go ahead and click Next. You can rename the job, and you can also configure the schedule for the job. We're going to leave it set to run now and click Next. Lastly, we're presented a summary of our restore operations. We'll go ahead and click Finish. We'll click on Job Monitor to monitor the status of this recovery. Our restore is complete. We'll now go back to SharePoint, refresh our page, and see that our two files have been recovered. Thank you for watching. For more information or to download a free trial of Backup Exec, please visit arcterra.io/backup-exec.